Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different than my past videos. Well, all my videos in the future are going to be different than my past videos. My past videos, most of them were me making something in this shop. Well, we're going to sell our house. And in part of selling a house, you got to sell the shop that's attached to it. Not only are we selling our house, we're downsizing. We're going from a 3,000 or so square foot house to a 300 or so square foot bus. Which means we need to get rid of 90% of our stuff. We don't want to get rid of 90% of our stuff. We only want to get rid of about 75% of our stuff. So what we decided to do was buy a shipping container and move some of our stuff that we wanted to keep into that shipping container. So this video is the delivery of our shipping container. It's being delivered to my in-laws' property, which is a handful of miles north of Cambridge, Minnesota. About 45-50 minute drive from here. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock now. 5:56 in the morning. I'm on my way to Cambridge for the fourth time. 3 times yesterday. Yesterday morning our shipping container was supposed to show up. I got up in the morning, drove up to Cambridge. I got a phone call that said the truck broke down. It was going to be a couple hours late. I took that time to unload the van, drive to Elk River, reload the van, drive back up to Cambridge, wait a couple hours. Finally hear that no, the truck's not going to make it till later in the evening. They figured at this time it was going to be about an hour and a half. It's 45 minutes each way for me to get there and back. I took that opportunity to quick make a third trip, only to find out on the way up there that, well, I guess the container's not going to come until 7 o'clock this morning, or 6:45 or something like that this morning. So I'm on my way to Cambridge again. I have trip number 4 behind me. 3 of them are in the lean-to, underneath the lean-to at my father-in-law's, and hopefully we get a shipping container here in the next 45 minutes or an hour, and I can get the rest of this stuff moved. You tell them when to stop where you want to stop that, Dave.
Well, I'm going to have it swing forward this way.
Okay.
Go back forward, then swing this way.
Oh, we're going to set it right here?
Yeah, it's going to be set. The back door is going to be pretty close to where the back door is now. Oh, he might be stuck with it right there. Yep.
That's a heavy load.
Yeah. Looks like a pretty clean container. I'm happy with the looks of it. Pretty slick shit there.
Without the shipping container, it's really light.
Yeah, once they drop the shipping container, the truck's not going to be stuck. But see, he's moving the axle, which is moving the truck. The truck's in neutral. This axle's staying still. So he's getting the truck out of the hole by moving the axle there. Kind of like, that's kind of like
Are you moving the front forward?
that's kind of like getting yourself unstuck with the skid steer, that by using the bucket to scoot yourself, unfortunately, only back. This weighs 8,380 pounds empty.
Wow.
Oh, it'd be lovely. This is good.
58,820 pounds of cargo can fit in it.
All right.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful right there.
Okay. A little greasy out.
Yeah, thank you. You want to videotape for me a little bit? I'm going to start raking the road for Dave.
Hold on.
Be able to rake that down pretty good.
That's not a big deal.
Hello. Oh, wow.
How you doing, kid?
Good.
Cover this up as much as I can so that I don't get
You don't get fined?
I don't care about being fined. I care about Dave caring
Yeah.
about being fined.
I know.
They put it, pre-included it up there.
And that's where my memory card became full, with the shipping container partway off of the truck. Nonetheless, they delivered it the rest of the way off the truck. Now I'm going to go over there tomorrow and jack it up and put concrete blocks underneath the corners to get it up off of the ground. Thanks for watching this video, and please hit that subscribe button if you want to watch the rest of our moving videos and especially the bus build videos. The bus build is what I'm most excited for. The moving videos, they're just going to have to come first. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.